Hi folks, Professor Amache here. Wanted to take you through 7329. This is the troubleshooting IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. So this is going to be two things combined. First of all, it is going to be some troubleshooting, and it's going to also be half reaction because I'm going into this cold. Just wanted to help you, first of all, get through this troubleshooting assignment, but second, to kind of see how somebody would react to something like this, right? Let's get started. Alrighty here. So it looks like we have three issues here. Three issues where the help desk punted to level 2 support. That would be you. And looks like some basic tests have been done and couldn't resolve it, so you get to. All right. So, okay. And in the spirit of positive collaboration, let's get into that spirit and then say, okay, what's the problem here? It's PC1 unable to access the dual stack server PKA webpage. And does the computer have an IP address? And I know the ticket says yes, but let's just verify. Okay, yes, IPv4 address. You got your proper subnet mask in. Default gateway is there. Can you ping the gateway? Can you ping the front door? Okay, 10.10.11, that is looking good. Can the computer contact the server via traceroute and speed up time? Okay, so leaves the default gateway, hits the other side here via IPv4 and hits the server here. And then, yep, reports it back on the return. Okay. So yes, we can reach via IP. Can we trace route to dual stack server.pka? Speed up time. Okay, unable to resolve. So yeah, we can even try NS lookup. Okay, speed up time. Yep, and that's a big no. Okay. My guess, if you can reach it via IP but not by friendly name, it's either a problem with the client or server DNS. Okay. The other thing is we don't have a flood of tickets, indicating a problem for everybody that everybody can't get to here. We can just infer we got one ticket. It's one particular PC having a problem. Okay, my guess is DNS, but let's see here. What should the DNS server be? The DNS server here, yeah, the dual stack server for the A record for IPv4 is 64.101.254, and as we can see here, yeah, that's a little off. 254. Okay, try it again. Hey, cool. That was it. So just a wrong DNS entry on the computer. PC1 changed to 64, 100, 154. Okay. And really, you probably want to give that address out over DHCP, but not my place to judge. No, they only got one PC. Yeah, so, okay, on to the next. All right, second issue. Customer, we got angry customer here saying PC2 cannot access files on the dual stack server at 2001 DB8 Cafe 110. All right, well, we are solutions focused, so let's just try to resolve the problem. Okay, unable to access the FTP service. Does the computer have an IPv6 using IPv6 config? Yep, 1:2. Default gateway, well, yeah. The link local address of the router there. Yeah, more than likely, yes. Can the computer contact the server using traceroute? Cafe 110. Oi. Okay. Hits its gateway there, hits the front door. I'm guessing it makes it out to here and then dies right there. Could be routing, right? Could be default gateway maybe on this side. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so check that out. Default gateway. Its default gateway is FE81. What should it be? Okay, dual stack server, FE80A. Okay. A. Hey, and look at that, the traceroute completes now. Awesome. See, and this is if you're only the network administrator on this side here, and if this is somebody else's domain, that requires lots of positive collaboration between the two of you to, just kind of go through step by step, what could it be, and working together, right? All right, so that was the first one there. Dual stack server. Wrong IPv6 DG. Changed to FE80A. Okay, good. On to the next. Customer using PC3 complains that they cannot communicate with PC2. So PC2 here is IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, PC3 is IPv6. First of all, They trying to communicate via IPv4? Because if they are, I don't think they're gonna get very far because this is just IPv6 here. So if you're trying to get to an IPv4 address here, you're not gonna get very far. So it's gonna have to be just IPv6 for PC3 to PC2. So let's just make sure that is okay. Yeah, so trace is complete. It comes up to the router and goes up to here. PC2? Oh, hey, what's up with that? What's up with that nothing in the default gateway? This is fine if the PC just needs to communicate via IPv4 just on this network too, if you don't need it to leave, right? However, if you do, yeah, you might run into a few issues, right? So let's do this here. So PC1, forget. Okay, so you keep that continuous ping going there, right? Of course, we should see timeouts. See, class C here, my guess is 0.1 is the router IP. Okay, 0.1. Hey, look at that. All right, there's the ICMP echo replies. Oh, good. Completion right here is 100%. Okay, document the problem. Well, record the solution. No problems. IPv6 between PC2, PC3. No problem. There's no problems. No problems there. PC2, IPv4. PC2 was missing IPv4 default gateway. Change to 192.168.0.1. So of course, since made notes here, go ahead and save. Go ahead and submit that along with your packet tracer file that has 100 points. Man, that was fun. I hope you have fun with this too, and we will see you on the next one. Okay, take care.